Jane here from Jenny and Teddy. In this tutorial, we are going to make the everyday cocoon cardigan. What you will need to make is a crochet hook size 4.25 millimeter crochet hook, stitch marker, yarn needle, a pair of scissors, and a measuring tape. And the yarn that I use is DK weight yarn, or you can use any kind of the yarn cake. I will put the link in the description below for the yarn weight and detail about the yarn that I use and for the size that we are going to make. So let's get started. So in the example size will be size small to XL. We will start with the multiple of 3 plus 3. The foundation chain will be 3 plus 3, and the small to extra large or XL will be 150 chain for the foundation chain. We start with the slip knot first. And then chain 150 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I will go off the camera and finish 150 chain, and we meet you there. So now I just finished 150 chain already. We will add 3 more chain. Remember the foundation chain will be multiple of 3 plus 3. So I add 3 more chain, 1, 2, and 3. So on the first round of the cocoon cardigan, we will basically make the crochet V-stitch. By on the first round, we skip 3 chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3, and on the fourth chain we make 2 double crochet, 1 double and 2 double. Then we will skip 1 chain here and make 2 double crochet, 1 double and 2 double. And then we will repeat doing this by skip 1 chain and make 2 double crochet in the next chain, 1 double and 2 double, skip 1 chain and make 2 double crochet in the next chain, 1 double and 2 double, skip 1 chain, make 2 double crochet in the next chain. We will continue repeating this until the end of the row. I will go off the camera and continue make the V-stitch, and we meet you at the end of the row. So now I am at the end of row 1 already, and I have 2 chain left, 1, 2, and don't worry if you have 1 chain left or 3 chain left, that will be fine. We just skip them all, and in the last chain we make 2 double crochet, all in the same chain. 1 double and 2 double crochet. So now we finished row 1 of the cardigan already, and then we will chain 3. 1, 2 and 3. Turn your work, and we will start on row 2 of the cardigan. And now we are on row 2 of the cardigan, the everyday cocoon cardigan, and then we will make 2 double crochet in each of the 2 double crochet from the previous row. This one we will not count as a stitch, so we will make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2 double crochet. In the center of the 2 DC from the previous row. This one we will make 2 double crochet, and in this one we will make 2 double crochet. So we make 2 double crochet, and you see the V stitch from the previous row. In the center we make 2 double crochet, 1 double, 2 double, and you will see we stitch from the previous row. We make 2 double crochet in the center of the V stitch from the previous row. So we will keep doing this by make 2 double crochet in the center of V stitch from the previous row, or in the center of 2 DC from the previous row. We will continue doing this, and I will go off the camera and finish row 2, and we'll meet you at the end here. Hi guys, I'm back. Now I am at the end of row 2 of the cardigan, or the V-stitch. So you will see the chain 3 space from the previous row. This one we will make 1 double crochet in here. So now after we finish row 2 already, we will repeat row 2. That will be easy by chain 3. 1, 2 and 3. Turn your work. We will repeat row 2 by make 2 double crochet in the 2 DC from the previous row. This one, make 2 double crochet in here. One double and 2 double, and the next one, make 2 double crochet in the 2 DC space from the previous row. 1 double and 2 double. Keep going, We will keep going. Repeat row 2 of the V-stitch or the row 2 of the cardigan, row after row until you have about 27 inch long. I will go off the camera and show you when I finish the 27 inch this way, and we will be ready to assemble for the cocoon cardigan. Hi guys, I'm come back. I'm finished repeating row 2 of the cocoon cardigan or row 2 of the V-stitch, and we will measure up the length of it. Will be about 27 inch this way, and we will be ready to assemble for the cardigan. Hi guys, after I finish making the repeat row 2 of the cardigan or the V-stitch already, I measure up it's about 27 inch long, and now we will fold them each end until they meet like this. Okay, and we will measure the armhole that we gonna leave, maybe 5 inch. For me it's 5 inch, and you will put stitch marker in here. So on this area we're not going to sew, will be the armhole, and we will add a small sleeve later. And on this area we are going to sewing, use the yarn needle. So we finished here already, and next we are going to add the sleeve on here. Now I'm finished sewing this part already here, and we are going to add the sleeve. You can finish as it is here, but I'm going to show you how to add the sleeve. So join the new yarn at any part of the armhole, and then you will be single crochet around the armhole for 1 round. Then we will do single crochet. Just for one round to be the base for the armhole. So you will keep continue making the single crochet. Around here. Hi girl, I'm come back. I'm just finished doing the single crochet around the armhole for one round, and for the round 2 of the sleeve we will make one double crochet in each stitch around. So we chain 2, chain 1 and 2, and then make one double crochet in each stitch around the armhole. So we will continue making one double crochet in each stitch around. At the end of the round, we will not join the round, we will work in spiral, and we will repeat round 2 of the sleeve by making the one double crochet in each stitch around. Repeat them round after round until we have the 1 inch thick of the sleeve, and we will fasten off and finish. I will go off the camera and finish do the one double crochet in each stitch around and repeat them until I have 1 inch thick for the sleeve. I'll meet you there. So I finished adding the sleeve for one side already, and repeat row 2, or basically we just do the double crochet in each stitch around for 2 or 3 rows until you have a 1 inch thick for the sleeve. This one for 1 inch thick. If you want to make it thicker, you can make more, maybe add 2 or 3 rounds, and we will finish off and fasten off webbing in end. And we finished one sleeve already. We will repeat the same as for the other side for the sleeve. So all done. I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.